Oh hi and welcome back to the channel. This week's video is going to be on the windscreen surround. And the first job of course is to cut out all of that horrible rusty metal and get us down to a decent base so that we can weld in the parts of the repair panel that we bought for this one. And once we've got that all cut out, in with a grinding wheel so that we can get us down to that nice shiny base, or well, as close as possible, so that we can weld in the repair panel once the time comes. Yes, there's been a little bit going on since the last time we spoke. It's been a couple of weeks or so. Yeah, we went to the NEC Classic Car Show. There's quite a lot of good stuff there. It's getting back to being as busy as it was pre the incident, sort of 2020 time. So it's taken a couple of years, but it's getting back to its prime. There's some amazing vendors there, to be honest. Lots and lots of workshop tools, none of which I could afford. Did have my eye on some really cool looking tool chests built in, almost like kitchen cabinets for the back of the garage. So they didn't appear to be that expensive either, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah, so the last video didn't do so well. Not that we're a particularly big channel, but the real-time tech oil change on the Mark 1 Golf didn't seem to go down too well. Not sure whether that's because it was just a simple thing, whether it's just me chatting in the background with no music, or you know, some other reason. So if anybody wants to let me know in the comments why you didn't like that one so much or didn't bother watching, let me know. Yeah, so it's going pretty well here. Welding this piece of the repair panel back in. Initially I thought this was a pretty poorly pressed out panel, but in actual fact it's pretty good. It was the right shape, it fitted in quite well, and we were able to get the bits we needed from it. So that is it for this video. We'll be back quite soon with the next installment, which is us finishing off this windscreen surround and getting the windscreen in. So until then, thanks for watching. Come back soon. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know what you like, let me know what you don't like, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.